Hello, I'm just gonna show you how to deploy correctly on Cloud. So I'm just gonna create a project and then upload it to GitHub and then try to launch it on Cloud. So here's that we could do. I'm gonna create a new repository. I don't want to use SS21. Let's say I want to create a bun project here. There's a quick tutorial on how it works. So I'm just gonna say bun repo demo test. Okay, gonna try creating a private one. Okay, so here's an empty repository. I'm just gonna drop this website. You can actually put existing files here, it doesn't matter, but we could also modify it later here. Here's good too. So if this is a private repo, they ask about deploy key. So here's the deploy key that we have to put into the repository. This is should be put on the deploy keys. I'm gonna say dump cloud. If we want to if we want to modify this repository, we could tell we want to write access to this repo using this key. Yeah. Okay. So it's already there. Now I have added this. You can actually put some templates here. There's a pre-made templates, but we're just gonna put nothing in here, no templates at all. But maybe we can. So right, we can just put a simple HTML here because this is actually empty. Doesn't matter. So what it does that it has the URL and then public and the private repo. This should be secret. It's shown here for because we're gonna delete it later. Doesn't matter at all. Now here's choose any server that you want. There is so many servers out here. Just make sure to choose the closest one with yours. I think it doesn't matter, but be careful to don't choose the one the most common is because the one that says the high latency means that it the most further one from yours and the top is the closest to yours. I can choose for example this SEN because this is actually Intel Arcs. The Intel Arcs the Intel Arc is only made for all of you that are the purchase. So this is not a free account. This is a light account. Why does that matter? Is that you can access this server, and then you can also choose the dev here. If not, you can if you are free account in a free account you can only choose this. But this one has like a banner, a banner that may be annoying to you. So I'm recommending to upgrade just to avoid the hassle. Okay, so I'm just gonna say a demo bun project. This is the domain name, the subdomain, and this is the username of the Linux. Okay. Now we just wait. They already set up the repo and the access key. There should be nothing here, nothing in the file at all. It should be not that much longer. Okay. You can wait for okay, it's finished. Okay, you can see the project now. It's nothing here, so we're gonna try to run something here. Okay, the first thing first, the here is the SSA. It's a website-based SSA. You don't have to install it SSA on your client because this is a purely online. This is just a website, so you can run anything here. Who am I? Full SSA. Just no sudo. Sudo. You can do that here. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So, uh, sorry. Anything in this file, anything that accessed here must be in the public folder. Okay, I'm gonna just go into that public folder and say, well, it has nothing, right? But if I say I'm editing a file, so the file, I'm editing it using SSA and say hello world simple file. It will shown here, right? So remember, we are in, let's see where we go. We are in the public HTML of the user account. All right. This is our user account, and it's going here, public HTML. This is the default one. You can tell which file that should be, which folder that should be shown here using Nginx and Nginx proxy, etc. Things, running things, how your website is supposedly run, right? Okay, you gotta skip this part and just focus to set a one project. Okay, so there is nothing here, must be nothing, and we're gonna try to install Bun. Okay, we could install it using this, but we can, another way without having to open this is go to deployment. This is where this is where most automated test is predefined for you. You can request any feature here, ada any like database or maybe some software. There should be a bun software here, right? So I want bun. You can tell which version, maybe 110 or anything, but I guess leave it as it is, okay? So it should automatically get the latest one. I'm gonna say bun should be not here, right? Should be not existed. Now let's wait installation. Okay, installation succeed. Should reload this, restart the SSA, and there should be, yeah, it's installed now. Okay, we're gonna init the bun project here. Let's go back here. Init React. Okay, it's already here. It's already have some files. Actually, we could have a much better view using some much popular, much proper one. So we are navigating the files using Vim here. You can navigate Vim using SSA like this, like Vim, or maybe you could like navigate the files using file stash. The file stash is like the FTP one. You can actually access FTP. It's the SFTP. Sorry, it doesn't use the insecure one. It's only SSA with FTP. FTP. Okay, and the files here is, well, you can say it now. But we want, before we could run before we could view this, we have to build the project. But I don't know how. Well, they tell how to build it, but I really want to preview it without here, right? You can say like npm maybe sorry, what is it, bandef. You cannot visit the it's not gonna work. So here's what you should do: open a VS Code, right? So assume you have already a Visual Studio Code installed here. It says you're gonna open it in your VS Code. What I don't have the extension. If you don't have the extension, please install it. Okay, installation should be here. Okay, they reload it. They ask you for the password. The password is here. The password is this SSA password. They're asking you for that. Okay. Okay. Now they start to initialize some codes. Okay, I'm trusting it. Okay, it should works now. Okay, I'm already accessing this inside the server. This is not in me. This is not in my local file. This is purely in the remote system. So who am I? I'm in the server. This is the same SSA. You can run bandef here. It will forward the ports here. The server port is forwarded to yours. Now you can access it here. Now it's work. The port 3000. The port 3000 will be forwarded to the server. Okay. So okay, it's working. I need to build this, right? So I'm gonna build it. How do I build it? I'm gonna build it. Sorry, which one is okay? Sorry. Yeah, run build. Okay, building is matter because well you can access this right now. This the right. You have to build it first. npm sorry, memory lax. Okay, I'm gonna say run build. Okay, the creates files now. The files is in this folder right here, this file one. So this is the pre-built static files that you should that the uh, the Nginx should listen to, right? Because this is in the public HTML and this is this. Normally, then you should able to access this on the remote one as this, and it works. But the backend it's not gonna work, right? Because Nginx doesn't know how to run the backend. Okay, by default, it just serves you the static file, and the static file is in the wrong folder. This is this folder inside here. This must be the root one. We have to delete this prefix here. So how to do that? We're gonna set up the Nginx. Okay, this is the Nginx syntax. It's okay. Don't worry if you don't understand it. The most important one is here. This tells how Nginx start your application, right? So there's a lot of options. This is for PHP. This is for the Fusion app. The Fusion app means that some integrations, but rarely used. I prefer to use shell command. The shell command here is just any command that you want to run, how to predict how it should run. Okay. Let's say we want to run this, right? We need to test this before we could know what to build here. Okay. So the instruction says run anything in here. So we want to run, what is it? ban prod. What is it? Sorry, ban. What's the script? I forget. Ban start. Okay. This is the production one. You should do not. You should not use ban dev. You should use ban start because it's set up for production. Okay. The server running at 40,000. Okay, that's good, but it's not gonna work because Nginx needs to send this to some environment. This is the environment port, right? So we have to make sure that this port must change if we set any port number. So say if I set this port and they listen, okay, it means that it's work. It's fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna do ban prod. Sorry, ban reset. Ban start. Okay, ban start. Now, oh, okay. Sometimes they ask for password. Kinda annoying, but it's maybe for your safety, I guess. Okay. Um, where do we left? Top. Okay. So how it works? It should be that. I'm gonna let's see how the backend works. Config. Okay, that's really cool. Uh, I wonder where's the backend. I don't see any backend file here. Ah, here. Here, I guess. So this is the main script. The They're using a server URL. I think the port allocation should. Okay. So the port and var is automatically assigned by pan. It's fine. But if the name is different, we should have to do this, right? Env for this just to make sure that if the envar somehow is different from here, so like some server maybe have a different port envar, maybe like HTTP port or something, some different keyword. So you have to put here as HTTP port as another port. But because this is the same environment, we could omit it. We could omit it like this, or we still put it here. It doesn't matter. It's gonna be the same. This is the thing that should be readable for everyone. So no fun. This should be no problem. Okay, so this is the app that will run. We tell Nginx to run one start. Okay, and this is the root path. This is the root path that uh, the root path. It means that uh, where the Nginx should serve static files. Okay, the static files is in this, right? In this folder. It contains index.html. You can know this because it contains index.html, the main page. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it this here. Case expiration, leave it here because I think they have like case buster. It's pretty fine to have this. Gonna speed up the website. And the working. This is the working territory. It means that this is means where we should run this command. We want to run this command as in this, right, in same public HTML. So we should leave it empty. It's fine. But if the backend is in a different folder like HTML backend, uh, this will tell you that the bun dev should be run on backend like this. But no, we can leave it as this is. Okay. Right. Alright, I think everything is enough. Let's try it. Okay, it's working. It sets. Now there is no this. There is no this suffix. No need, and the API works. That's really cool. But how do they work? Like, where's this thing run? You might wonder. So this thing run in our backend, in this user. So you can check the process here. The process is in. Oh, sorry. The process should be here. Thing. Yeah. So a lot of process here, but okay. We cannot just need to restart. Wait, restart. Nah, restart will restart this too. Pretty nice. Okay. All right. So okay. Now we're gonna talk about how to update the backend. So we ignore this, right? We just need to update some files here. For instance, if we want to update this later, uh, one React demo, for instance, this, right? This is the front end. If the front end changes, this won't change, right? This won't change because we need to rebuild it. npm sorry, ban build, ban build, I guess. Oh, sorry. What will like a bundle? I do not know. I forgot. Bun run build. Okay. Bun run build. Okay. If we change the front end, we have to do the build again. Let's see if it changed or not. Okay, it's automatically changed. But there's also other things that you need to consider. What if the backend change? Will it change? Let's see. The backend should be here. I'm gonna say lorem ipsum. Will it gonna change? Maybe you need to rebuild it. Fine. And the backend doesn't change, right? So what you're gonna do is to restart here. The restart. This is actually a bash script. So if you like want to know how it works, you can see the file. Just killing things. You just kill all your existing process. So that's how it works. Okay. It also includes restarting the VS Code server too. That's fine. Okay. You have to kill SSHD and bun. The bun has been killed. And then when you send it again, it should be updated, right? So there's a lot of things that you need to do, but this is how you update files. Okay, now we try to link it into a repository and try if what if we change the files in the repository. This will automatically change. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, the first thing that I need to do is to push this. Okay, I'm gonna push this first as initial commit. Okay, need to set the username and user email. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Do they tell what how you use that? No. I need, sorry, username. Okay. I forget how to do that. So git set user and email. Okay. I don't care with the name. I'm just gonna direct copy it. Okay. I said it. Now publish. Should works because we give the public the deploy key with the right access. Okay, this is already pushed. Wonder where's the repo? Forget. Git remote origin. Git remote get URL origin. Okay, this is the repo. I'm gonna check the. Okay, this is the repository. We want to do automatic push when this thing change. So what we have to do is we go to the deployment system and tell this how to rebuild the repo. Okay, so I'm just the first thing, if there's changes in the repository in the remote in the GitHub, is that the first thing is you do is that git pull, right? It's pulling the latest changes, and then we do run build after building it, and then do restart it. Okay, after the comments has been this get setup backup. Okay, this is the webhook that you should put in the deployment system. There is documentation on how to do it. I think it's not updated. Okay, that's on my blame. I'm gonna do it later. So to create a deployment, you need to add a GitHub action. Okay, the GitHub action should be put like this: GitHub, sorry, workflows from cloud. That YAML. Okay, the YAML file I have created. The name of the file can be anything, but the folder must be here. Must be like this. Okay, this has webhook secret and webhook out. Okay, and the list of command that we put. Now you have to put this secret first here. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to do that. Where is it? Go to deploy keys. No, sorry, I forgot. The secrets must be in here. Action secret. This is different for every repository, so you have to add this one by one. Get to this with secret, environment secret. Oh, I think I got it wrong. It should be repository secrets. This is the secret. What secret this of this? I forgot. Webhook secret. Okay, we can copy. Very nice. Webhook secret. Okay. And this is the what's the another one? Oh, okay. This is the authentication. Okay, the authentication has been put, and we can push this, so they automatically change. Let also let's just push this right now and see what's gonna happen. uh, uh, J cd. Okay. Okay. Alright, it's pushed now. Let's see. Okay, so the deployment system should work. So every time there is push to this repository, the changes will be automatically reflected to the server. Okay, let's see. Let's wait. Weirdly, this thing takes so long right now. Usually it should be done in less than a minute, but is there a incident? Okay, but the whole point that it should works, but somehow maybe GitHub down right now. Joking. So when this thing has finished, uh, see we should see result in they will like adding the deployment script to this part. Maybe we could wait. Or maybe we could check if we, for example, made a change here, the thing will automatically reflect. I don't know. Let's see. If something, we're gonna put it back as hello world. Okay. Try to update it. Let's see our pipelines now. Do things working at all? Could kill this. Okay. Yeah, it's application. Okay. This already done. All that this thing do is just only push the script. The deploy, the build, the project build will not go here, so it just finish under 6 seconds here. Actual deployment should be shown here. Okay, so this coming from which we can see there's a identifier from which repo. Okay, and this does git pull, the pulling the latest changes, build it and restore it. Okay, uh, okay, definitely this includes restart the VS Code. No worries, we could get the SSA running again. Okay, and the changes should be automatically reflected. See, so that's how you set up a repository and link it with GitHub and run and create a deployment system with it. Hope it helps. If you want to, if you want me to build, record more tutorial, feel free to do that. Thank you.